West Bengal, a land blessed with a rich cultural heritage, the land of opportunities. Over the ages, West Bengal has given birth to many great minds and pioneers. Like every economy, Bengal too has had its share of ups and downs. But today, a new, resurgent West Bengal is on the rise, empowered with new hopes and opportunities, headed towards a new horizon. Leading to this era of new hope is the AMS Group. Founded by pioneer and visionary Achinto Kumar Ghosh. Today, the AMS Group is a key player for development in the state. Founder and chairman Mr. Ghosh has been associated and successfully proven his expertise on various renowned projects. Playing a vital role in the growth of the business is the young and dynamic director, Mr. Siddharth Ghosh. He has been instrumental in the phenomenal growth of the organization in a very short span of time.
Hi everyone, this is Siddharth Ghosh. AMS Group is about to celebrate its 5th year anniversary. AMS Group is growing and growing every day. Do the best with the best. AMS Group is the right platform for reinforcing future India.
AMS Concrete, the flagship company of the group, is a major supplier of ready-mix concrete to the construction business and different infrastructural projects within Kolkata and its suburbs. AMS Concrete has set up a modern 275 cubic meter per annum capacity plant at Bodobagan on Kalyani Expressway near Kolkata. The plant has a 100+ workforce to manage the entire operations. Exploring the enormous opportunities and increasing growth in the field of construction business in the state, AMS Concrete India Private Limited has decided to set up another 2 such RMC plants, one at Basberia area and the other at Durgapur. Commitment towards quality and high professional standards are the driving force of AMS Concrete. A dedicated quality control team performs a thorough check on all incoming raw materials. A series of checks are performed to ensure that only the right kind of raw materials are used. On the other hand, all outgoing ready-mix concrete is tested for the right quality and quantity. A team of managers and logistics experts ensures that only the best quality product reaches the customer on time, every time. AMS Concrete has a list of prestigious clients.
Hi everyone, this is Achinto Kumar Ghosh, Chairman of AMS Group. Our motto is to develop and develop. The AMS team continuing their journey in the field of education, ready-mix concrete and print media. We are also having planned and the land has already been acquired to establish one international standard school and real estate division. Our RMC industry one of the pioneer in Bengal with the state-of-art facilities. We are looking forward for more development to strengthen the national economy and as well as to utilize max-to-max skilled and non-skilled manpower. On behalf of entire AMS Parivar, I would like to thank you all to be a part of our journey.
Mr. Achinto Kumar Ghosh has extended his active support to the cause of education by forming the AMS Educational Trust in the year 2009. The trust aims at providing quality education to a broad-based society in the state. Being the chairman of the trust, Mr. Ghosh is committed to provide the investment needed for the education with global competitiveness. His commitment towards education is reflected in the founding of 3 prestigious institutions: AMS School of Management, AMS School of Professional Studies, AMS College of Polytechnic. One of the first projects of the AMS Educational Trust was to establish the AMS School of Management. The courses offered here are BBA, BCA, MBA, MCA, BSc in Mass Comm and Journalism. This year the college has successfully placed all its final year management students in various organizations of repute. The AMS School of Professional Studies, the second venture of the AMS Educational Trust, has been established in the year 2012 at the main campus, Maulali, Kolkata, for running NCVT certified vocational courses and other professional courses. Students from classical engineering and various vocational courses are trained with most modern methodologies and techniques to increase their employability both nationally and globally. With an eye on the ever-increasing demand for qualified manpower in the emerging areas of engineering and technology, Mr. Ghosh felt the need to establish a new technical institute at his Barasat campus. Hence, the AMS College of Polytechnic was formed. Approved by All India Council of Technical Education, AICTE, and affiliated to West Bengal State Council of Technical Education, WBSCTE. The college aims at grooming young minds into professionals for the future. State-of-the-art infrastructure, a well-stocked library, and an experienced faculty
I have given one register which has color code RRA.
empower the students to face the challenges of the professional arena.
Do the best with the best. Who is the best, ma'am?
AMS Living Private Limited. This group company has been formed in order to meet the ever-increasing demand of supplying fly ash bricks, concrete block and pavers block to all its reputed clients related with the construction business and working in different infrastructural projects within Kolkata and its suburbs. A step which is believed will play a meaningful role in the current modernization process in West Bengal. The main thrust was to build a plant with an internationally benchmarked technology. The proposed plant of AMS Living Private Limited will be established on the Kalyani Expressway. Through AMS Publication Private Limited, the group has ventured into media and publications. The company has already launched a daily midday Bengali newspaper, AMS Times, a first of this kind in West Bengal. Despite being in the startup phase, the newspaper is slowly but steadily building its own genre of readers and has already started playing an important role in the political as well as in the sociological scenario of West Bengal. AMS Publication is further planning to launch a complete Bengali magazine, A.O. Shape, very soon. And today, leveraging the extremely positive industrial scenario in a resurgent West Bengal, the AMS Group is poised to achieve greater heights.